Hello, fifth grade. Today I'm going to show you how to find missing assignments. So today I gave you a sheet that lists all of the assignments that you have been assigned, and any of them that have a dash next to them means that you did not complete that assignment. Maybe you completed it but forgot to turn it in. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to take a look at how to access those assignments on Schoology. So when you go to our Schoology page, you'll notice on the left-hand side we have materials, updates, grades, attendance, members, etc. We're going to click on grades. And when we click on grades, it gives you a list of all of the assignments that have been posted on Schoology. So if you completed an assignment, for example, the Star Spangled Banner vocabulary, this was completed, it will have a green grade next to it. And things where you have to turn things in will have a little page like that. Discussion questions will have a little talk bubble next to it. But anything with a dash next to it means that you did not complete that assignment. So what I would suggest is go into your grades, and when you see a dash, take your cursor all the way over to the title of that item, and if you click on it, it will automatically open the assignment for you, and then you can complete it. Your job today is to go through all of your assignments, make sure that you've completed them. Those of you who have finished everything already before the class began, I owe you a treat. So see me after I take attendance to receive your special treat for being a good, conscientious student who gets their work in on time. Those of you who owe me things, I'd like you to work on this. Anything you don't finish in class today becomes homework tonight. All right, have a great time. Bye.